This video explains and demonstrates the installation of the line-to-line cable for Fuelight FL-3000 and FL-4500 series displays. The line-to-line cable is used to route signal between displays on the same structure. Begin by connecting the line-to-line cable to the J9 jack on the host driver. The host driver is the one with the 6-pin communication connector inserted on the J16 jack. Attach the drain wire to the top left stud holding the driver in place using the provided nut and tighten with the 5/16 nut driver. Route the cable through the knockouts on the back of the display and connect it to J10 on the next client display driver. Pull the excess cable into the display cabinet, coil it up and zip tie it. This will prevent the cable from coming in contact with other electrical wires in the structure. Repeat these steps until all displays are connected. Do not connect the last display driver back to the host, creating a loop. You should have one extra cable on a new display installation. Once all displays have been connected, you can proceed with addressing the displays.